What is the value of the expression 75 divided by 15 multiplied by open parenthesis 60 divided by 12 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is very tricky and has caused many people to pick the wrong option. Let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. Many people, when starting to solve this question, first focus on the expression inside the parentheses, and instead of considering the whole expression, they rewrite it as 75 divided by 15 multiplied by 5. In the next step, they go for the multiplication between 15 and 5 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they simplified this expression and write it as 75 divided by 75, which finally gives them the answer 1. Then, without any hesitation, they conclude that the correct answer to this question must be option A. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. According to this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must carry out these operations strictly in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a division sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must start with the parentheses first, because parentheses have the highest priority compared to the other operations. So, we can write this expression as 75 divided by 15 multiplied by 5. Now, we need to perform the division and multiplication. However, it's very important to keep in mind that multiplication and division are on the same level of precedence. In this case, the best approach is to start from the left and carry out these two operations in order. So, first we handle the division between 75 and 15, which simplifies this expression to 5 multiplied by 5. And finally, the answer becomes 25. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.